All right, hey guys, Jeff from RenoVision here. Today I'm here to share with you a tool that costs less than 10 bucks that can save your bacon, literally. Got behind me a vinyl siding job, and vinyl siding is really good product. It's very versatile, handles all weather climate, right? But it has one weakness. Because it's vinyl, in the cold weather especially, it's really susceptible to breaking. And how I know this is because here in Canada, every kid in the house and every street is playing hockey in their driveway and shooting pucks up against this stuff when they miss the net. What happens inevitably is every one of you needs to go out and buy this. This little gizmo is from Crescent Tools, okay? And we've done a lot of work with Crescent Tools over the last couple of years, showing you some of their greatest little inventions, and this is one of them. It's called a siding removal tool. And I'm gonna demonstrate this tool for you real quick, and then I'll jump into why it works, how it works, and when it might be valuable for you to have this kind of knowledge handy. Because I've used a tool like this in so many different renovation situations, and it has literally saved me tens of thousands of dollars. Not a bad return for under 10 bucks. Let's just jump into this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick on a piece of siding. Now let's say it's damaged, okay? Or let's say you installed a siding with your son and he didn't put all the nails in that he was supposed to. Yeah, we've all had different experiences. Or you've got a really bad windstorm and some of your siding pieces have been pulled off and you just want to reinstate a few of them, but it's in the middle of the wall. This is where this tool comes in handy. It's designed so that you reach up underneath of the joint, you can grab onto that product and you can pull it loose. And you just put it in behind, slide it in both directions, and it's disengaged. Okay? Now look at, from here, if I had siding where it would miss some nails, I could just chuck those nails in, no problem. If this one was damaged, I could use the tool underneath, I could pull that seam, remove the nails, and pull the whole piece out. And then reinstall that piece. And all you need to do when you're done is put it back together. So you use the tool, and you grab the edge again, and you pull it down, and you push it in. All right? And all you do is you can run the tool along and push in behind it. Oh, let me just start from here. Okay? And then you lock it back in place, just like when you're installing it. So in just a couple of minutes, you can open up your siding and do an investigation, check to see if you have leaks or water damage. You can investigate if you just bought a brand new house, find out if it has a house rep. That's a real quick, easy thing to do. The other thing is, siding always comes with a stamp on the back, has a code, product color. You can always do quick Google research. If you need to find replacements and you don't have any, see where the manufacturers are in town, call them up to see if you can get any matching samples. And you can replace damaged siding and maintain your building without having to redo the whole side. Now, I mentioned before, there's a lot of different applications for that tool. One is this. I've been in applications, situations where somebody renovated a bathroom and they put the water lines on the wrong side of the vapor barrier, and so the water lines froze in the wintertime. They finished the entire remodel of a custom shower just to find out that they couldn't use their bathroom. That was maddening customer. Wasn't my customer, it was somebody else's customer. But I got the job to go in there and fix it. So instead of going through and ripping out the whole custom bathroom, which was really well done, they had a great tile setter, I went to the outside of their house and took off their siding, opened up the wall and fixed it in reverse order from the outside. So, this little tool here didn't just get me a good job, it saved that client from the expense of ripping out a $30,000 bathroom and starting over. 10 bucks. Sometimes knowing the right tool for the job is worth its weight in gold. So this little siding removal tool, you can get it from Amazon. You can use our link below, help support our channel when you shop there. But I'm telling you right now, having that kind of knowledge so that you have options in your toolbox is worth more than the toolbox itself. Now, if you're interested in seeing other great little inventions and tools like this, that's awesome. You can click the link up here, guys. We got all kinds of great inventions. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new today. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done it yet. My goodness, we'll see you in the next video.